First time I've been to a non-food store since the quarantining began, and here I am at the Lowe's in Paramus. There's no line waiting to get into the store, but there's plenty of lines waiting to check out. So I can't find what I need here. This small battery, for example, I don't seem to have any of that. I need that for remote control on my fan, my bedroom fan, ceiling fan. So it looks like everybody has so little to do at home, or they notice things that have to be fixed or improved, but they all run to the Lowe's. And I met a customer who said the Home Depot is even worse. So I was looking for a plant stand, and I got some of this stuff to repair some hoses on a rain barrel. Lines everywhere, self-checkout. When I drove in, I noticed the parking lot was full. I've never seen it full the whole time that I've been shopping here. At least 5 years. People buying a lot of stuff for their garden, plants, mulch, soil. I have a plexiglass barrier between the customer and the cashier, just like in the food stores. Lawn stuff, plants. This woman's got 2 plants. So it looks like I'm next. Take care.